Your search for a cozy haven in the bustling city of London ends here. Introducing Londonist The Curve, the perfect abode where privacy and convenience blend like never before. Nestled in Fieldgate St, this stellar abode offers a selection of en-suites and studios to choose from, tailored to suit your preferences. Each unit here welcomes you to a snug bed, a private bathroom, a dedicated study space, and ample storage, redefining the contours of a convenient student life. That's not all. Stay agile and in the best of shape with the well-equipped in-house gym and save trips to the laundrette at the on-site laundry. Plus, being a disability-friendly property with wheelchair access, Londonist The Curve is the ideal place to reside in. The absolute icing on top, however, is the inclusion of utility bills, making the stay super cost-efficient. And when it's time to hit the books, Holt International Business School and Barts and the London School of Medicine and Dentistry are but a pleasant stroll away. A short stroll and you'll locate yourself at Brick Lane's vintage stores and artisan coffee shops, and thus a step closer to realizing your dream of living like a true Londoner. On weekends, hop on a bus or take a tube to explore the unparalleled liveliness and magnificence of London. Head straight to amberstudent.com to live your dream life at Londonist The Curve, the best of what London has to offer.